Hello everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader. Looking at the Coinbase chart today, I want to point out what I feel is a fairly solid foundation that has transpired over time here with Coinbase after the IPO back here, when prices came down and then spent a long time consolidating, building what I feel is a fairly solid basing pattern. We have not only a head and shoulders pattern that in itself is in this time frame. This is a weekly. These are weekly candles right here. In this time frame, I believe that this is a very powerful reversal indication here on Coinbase. But the other thing that's happened here is we also have what is also a very powerful reversal situation where we have a pretty picture perfect cup and handles pattern running right through there. And then we have broken out now to the upside in recent weeks. That, I think, in my opinion, should be looked at as a fairly solid foundation underneath which we could make decisions going forward on Coinbase. So if we go now and blow this up to a daily chart, well, let me pull this down first. I want to point out that this pullback that we're in right now is not quite, but almost to a 61.8 fib. But if you recall now, this is the top of the handle of the cup. And we have a pullback here that has not quite reached the 61.8, but it looks like it really doesn't want to. And it has, since yesterday, it has crossed back up above the 50% pullback level here at the 128. And you can see that it is building fairly nice horizontal box patterns here. And Coinbase has a way of doing that. If you look back here historically, Coinbase does build very nice tradable patterns here that are fairly reliable. Our first trade here on Coinbase was a call to go long here at $87.70 on the breakout here. And we've since taken some profit. But for anyone that isn't in it, I think that we're looking at possibly a gift given to us here on the Coinbase chart. And this pullback here is building this area to where I think that it would be safe to say that a trade could be built right in this level here around the 131 level. We tried to come up and left a weak high right up through here yesterday, right up into that level. And so I think that any depending on your methodology, depending on the instrument, if you use options or whatever you would like to do, I'm just pointing out today that I think that this whole structure with this foundation that I just pointed out to the left is very generally bullish for Coinbase. And fundamentally, I would think that the future is fairly bright for Coinbase, with being one of the main custodians for all these new ETFs. So anyway, I am very bullish Bitcoin, and thought I'd show that to you today. I think that this is useful information for any type of trade that you might want to be trying to take in Coinbase. All right. Hope this is helpful.
Hi. My name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.